Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quizverse. Are you ready for the another super fun world you rather mystery gifts? Think quickly, trust your instinct and choose wisely because your mystery gift is writing. Today 13 exciting choices and only 8 seconds to make each decision. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Quizverse. Are you ready guys? Let's start the quiz. Would you rather drive a diamond Ferrari? Choose the mystery gift. $1 million. Wow! What an incredible prize on a golden house. Would you rather pick an angel indoor slide? Mystery gift. Rainbow squishy dumpling indoor slide. Bounce, slide and have fun. Blue is squishy. Time to make your choice with Coca-Cola, the mystery gift or Fanta. Pepsi fizzy and refreshing. Would you rather like for Lubabo? Come in for squishy dumpling. Skateless, mystery gift or Gyan M&M pack. Candy overload, jelly beans. Stitch sofa, mystery gift and Komi sofa. Hello Kitty sofa. Panda mystery gift or the unicorn. Fox, so cute and magical. Would you rather gold hot dog, mystery gift or gold burger? Talk about luxury, gold fried chicken. Which one would you choose? Cocktails toilet, mystery gift and French fries toilet. Hell toilet, it's correct answer. A Nairo blind box, mystery gift or the Lubabo blind box. Pokemon blind box. What a fun surprise! Which one would you choose? Or your toilet paper. Don't miss your chance. Squish it. Mac balloon, mystery gift or the Kirby balloon. Balloon, float into fun. Inflating cop, what a fun surprise. Gold squishy dumpling bag. Let's see how lucky you are. Would you rather bubble blaster, mystery gift or the bubble machine? Bubble went. Which one will you pick? Pikachu Water Park. Which water adventure would you choose?
Magic wand, mystery gift, and magic cap. So magical. Magical head, chocolate cookies, mystery gift, or sprinkle cookies. Butter cookies, so yummy. Lucky one, mystery gift, or Mario cap. Wow, Minecraft cap. Which one is your favorite? Zipline park, mystery gift, rock climbing park. Very good, rope cross. Tree house, mystery gift, or the cabin house. Beach house, pick your favorite, peace and comfort. Which would you rather? Flamingo, mystery gift, and Grappa float. To the top unicorn float. Magnetic tiles, mystery gift, or nano blocks. Oh wow, Lego. Rivet pillow, mystery gift, mag pillow. My Melody Flow, such a fun choice. Animal Circus. Can you choose just one? Dragon, collectible shark finger. Saucer, mystery gift, and bus ball. Basketball, swing for the win. Plum Island, mystery gift, treasure island. Adventure is calling, Volcano Island. And that's the end of today's challenge. Which mystery gift surprised you the most? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Quizverse, and choose your next challenge. Thanks for playing, everyone. Bye for now.